Full is a topper designed for the advanced stage of hair loss. Due to its large base size, it offers the most coverage for the wearer. In this video, we'll review the base design and the step-by-step on how to get the look. Top Full features an 1/8 of an inch folded Swiss lace that features over and under ventilation to allow the topper to blend into your biological hair. The Jon Renau double monofilament design protects the knots, creates additional comfort, and offers for multi-directional parting. The polyurethane coated monofilament allows for the use of adhesive if desired. The 360-degree stretch material will hug your head for comfort and allow for natural movement of the hair. The pressure-sensitive clips are strategically placed to secure the topper to your biological hair. Top Full is made with Remy human hair. As with any alternative human hair piece, we recommend performing a check wash within 14 days of receipt. One commonly asked question is, how do we get the looks on our website and our catalog? In this video, we'll show you how we got the look for Top Full. To dry and style your topper, pin to your canvas blockhead. Apply blown away blow dry balm and blow dry using your Jon Renau round brush. Prepare your topper for styling and application video for details. Once completely dry, take a small section of hair and apply 2 to 3 pumps of heat treat thermal spray to protect the hair from heat damage. Use a 1-inch curling iron or styling wand and wrap each section of hair to create curl. Alternate the direction of wrapping as you go. Be sure to allow each curl to cool and set. Always style your biological hair prior to applying your topper. Apply your topper 1 to 2 inches back from the hairline and blend with your biological hair. Always hold the base of the topper while blending to prevent pulling your biological hair. Not doing so will cause tension and can cause hair loss. Use a small amount of Peace Out Contour Fiber Crème to create curl definition. Finish your style with Jon Renau's versatile 3-way hairspray. Use your fingers to finish styling. To watch more styling videos, click the styling playlist. For everything you need to know about toppers, click Hair Toppers 101.